Good morning, children. For today's assignment, you will need the My Picture Dictionary, the capital letters book and the rhyme time. So shall we start? Now take out your My Picture Dictionary book and turn to page 27 and 28. Today we are going to look at all the words that start with the letter U. Which letter is this? U. Now let's look at the words which has the starting letter U. U for umbrella bird. What is this bird called as? Umbrella bird. Look at the letter U. Umbrella bird starts from the letter U. Repeat after me. Umbrella bird. And what is this? This is a cow, isn't it? Now look at this part of the cow. This part of the cow is called as udder. What is it called as? Udder. This part of the cow is called as udder. And where is the ball here? The ball is under the chair. The ball is under the chair. The word under starts with the letter U. See here? The word starts with the letter U. Yes, you all know what this is, right? Umbrella. Umbrella also starts with the letter U. Repeat after me. What is this? Umbrella. And this is underwear. What is this? Underwear. Underwear also has the letter U in the starting. Now revise all the words. Umbrella bird, udder, under, umbrella, underwear. U for umbrella bird, U for udder, U for under, U for umbrella, and U for underwear. So will you remember all the words which starts with the letter U? Good. Now next go to the next letter. What do we have? What comes after U? V. Yes, V. V for van. V for vegetables. Now look at the spelling, children. Both the word V and vegetables, van and vegetable have the letter V, isn't it, at the beginning? V for van, V for vegetables, V for vest, V for volcano, V for vest, V for volcano, V for vulture. What is this bird known as? This bird is called as vulture. Vulture also starts with the letter V. Let's revise one more time. V for van, V for vegetables, V for vest, V for volcano, V for vulture. Now children, can you tell me where is the word vest? Yes, this is vest. Can you tell me where's volcano? Yes. Where is the bird vulture? Yes, here. Now go to the other page and can you show me where's the umbrella bird? Here. Now can you tell me where is the umbrella? Here. And where is the ball? Under the chair. Okay. Now try to remember and tell me two things which starts from V. Don't look at the book. Tell me two things which starts from V. V for van, V for vegetables. Very good. Now tell me two things which starts from U. Think and tell me. U for umbrella, U for under. Very good. Now let's move to the next assignment. Now children, take out your capital letters book and turn to page 82. 82. So which letter are we going to write? We are going to write the letter O. We are going to write the letter O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Can you tell me two other things that start with the letter O? O for orange. Very good. O for orange. Then what else starts with O? Yes. Think and tell me. Okay. Now let's move towards the writing part. Now the letter O is very simple. Okay. All you have to do is draw a circle. Start with the pink line. See a dot here. Can you see? I am writing with a sketch pen. You will write with a sharp pencil. Start with the dot and trace along the dotted lines like this. Okay, your circle should be between the pink line and the blue line. Slowly move towards the dotted lines. Okay, it's very easy. O is the easiest among all the alphabets. Okay children, you have to trace along the dotted lines. Once you finish the dotted lines, you can move towards the next line. Parents see if they need any help, you can put some more dots, or they can do it independently like this. It's very easy children. Start from the dot and move towards the left and reach the blue line. Then again make a curve and reach the top line like this. Okay. So finish this page in the morning and this page in the evening. Okay, you can do it. Now you are all growing big and strong, is it? So you can do this easily. Now come to this and color the picture whose name start with the letter O. Now what do you see in this picture? Yes, it's an orange. So orange starts with the letter O, isn't it? So you have to color this orange. Which color will you color orange? Yes, orange color. Okay. Now let's move to the next picture. What do you see here? Yes, it's an octopus. Octopus starts with the letter O. Yes. So you will color even octopus. Color the orange, color the octopus, and then move towards the next picture. What is this? It's a nest filled with eggs. So children, does egg start with the letter O? No. So you will not color this. Don't color. Now what is there in this picture? 1. The number 1. The spelling 1 also has O in it. It starts with O. So you can color this picture. Now which bird is this? Yes, it's an owl. Owl also starts with the letter O. So you will color this picture also. Now let's move to the next line. What is this? It's a mango. Does mango start with O? No. Mango ends with O, but it doesn't start with O. So we will not color this. How about umbrella? Does it start with O? No. So don't color this. And what is this? This is an ox. Ox also start with the letter O. So you can color this. And then this is the number 9. Does number 9 start with O? No. So you will not color this. Okay children, so which are the other things you are going to color in this? You will color the orange, you will color the octopus, you will color number 1, owl and ox. Okay, now let's move to our next assignment. Okay children, today you are going to learn the rhyme London Bridge from the Rhyme Time book. Okay, many of you might already be knowing this rhyme. Anyway, repeat after me. Okay, London Bridge is falling down. London Bridge is falling down. Falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. One more time. London Bridge is falling down. Falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. So what do you see in the picture children? It's a huge bridge. The London Bridge is falling down. The boy here is watching that the London Bridge is falling down. So the next para says, build it up with iron bars. Build it up with iron bars. Iron bars, iron bars. Build it up with iron bars, my fair lady. So the boy is telling the London Bridge is falling down. So we have to build it again using the iron bars. Okay, now shall we sing this rhyme? London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with iron bars, iron bars, iron bars. Build it up with iron bars, my fair lady. Okay, children, keep listening to your rhyme and you will learn it very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.